Hi guys, welcome to chapter 5 Web Designing Using HTML Part 1. In this video, we are going to discuss various lists in HTML. There are different types of lists such as unordered lists, ordered lists, definition lists, and nested lists. What is meant by unordered lists? These are also called bulleted lists. Display a bullet or other graphic against each item in the list. We can customize the unordered list by setting the type attribute to 3 different values such as disk is the default value, square and circle. We can have an example for unordered list here. I have given an unordered list with body tag is given. Then unordered list is centralized. Then UL type equal to square. Then 2 items are given with LI tag. UL tag is given for unordered list, and for each list item LI tag is used. Within whatever written within LI tag will be the list item. Then UL is closed, then body closed, and HTML. The output will be like this. And next comes ordered list. Ordered list means it is in an ordered manner. The tags used are OL and /OL. These are also called numbered list. We can customize the numbering system by using the type attribute. We can have the values as 1 is the default numbering system, 1, 2, 3, etc. For uppercase letters starting with A, B, C, etc. For lowercase letters A. For large Roman numerals 1, 2, etc. Small Roman numerals I, that is small I, I2, 1, 2, etc. By default, an ordered list starts with the first number in the series. To change it, we can use start attribute like OL type equal to I, start equal to 5, and starts numbering from 5, 6, 7, etc. We can have an example for ordered list. Here also an ordered list is given. OL type equal to I, that is Roman numerals are used. 1, 2 will come. Then OL is within the OL tag, list items are given for within LI tag, and OL is closed, body is closed, and HTML is closed. This is the output. Then definition lists. For definition list, a list of terms and the corresponding definitions can be given using definition list. The tag where TL and /DL enclose the definition list. Each term can be created by using the DT tag, and the definition details can be specified by using the DD tag. Example for definition list. We can give the body tag, then H2 definition list heading is given. Then I have given DL starts, the definition term is sperm, definition detail is given. Another definition term is fishing, detail is given. Then DL is closed, body is closed, HTML is closed. The output is like this. Definition list without giving any paragraph style, it is appearing as an intended style. Nested list means a list of items appearing within another list is called nested list. We can insert an unordered list into another unordered list, an unordered list into an ordered one, etc. Example is here also the list item or an ordered list, we are trying to put an unordered list within an ordered list. The ordered list items: 1 input devices, 2 output devices. Then comes the unordered list: input devices, keyboard and mouse, and output devices, printers and monitors. The inner lists are closed first, and then outer list is closed. Body tag is closed and HTML tag is closed. This is the output. Thank you very much.